Good morning, everyone. We're out on the Ausable River this morning. Got about a 6-mile trip. Dropped in at the Whirlpool Access in Oscoda, and we'll be getting out at Riverbank Park. The Canoe, Oscoda canoe rental right across the road. They only charged me $5 to give me a ride back here. So pretty affordable price, super nice guys. If you're looking to do anything as far as tubing or canoeing and don't have a vessel, get a hold of them. It's great guys to work with. So just gonna take in some of the scenery, enjoy this nice summer day. Got Alicia and Hank riding up front. It's a beautiful day out here. I think it's supposed to be mid-70s, got a nice light breeze, and exceptional scenery. Those clouds are awesome. Curious to know, you guys that are familiar with the Ausable River, what's your favorite trip? I know this is one of our favorites for the summer for swimming. It's got a lot of nice sandy spots to swim in, and typically further upstream it seems to be a little more gravelly. Still awesome, but this spot we really enjoy for swimming. Is that a little green heron? Don't see those as often.
They're probably around, they're just so sneaky and little.
I just made our first little stop. Show you guys what we like about this stretch. There's a lot of these super sandy spots to stop and take a swim. We haven't had rain in a little while, so it's actually pretty nice and clear, not stirred up. Little school of fish down in there. Not sure what. Quite a few of them.
Let's get in the boat.
Hank,
Get in the boat.
come on. There's beauty around every corner. Dog butt.
Dog booty. Oh, dog booty. That's the only booty allowed. Right?
Oh, we made it to Three Pipes Beach, also known as Sandwich Beach on Google. The best way to get here is by a river, obviously. It's more fun, but you can park and walk into this beach too, which is definitely worth it. Very good size. Tons of room here. Also, good place to pick some rocks. Got some pudding stones, Charlevoix, Petoskey, something I don't know. Yeah, we've only been picking for about 5 minutes, so I know there's a lot more in here to find.
So pretty.
Yeah, one of our 2 favorite places to swim in Oscoda. The other one is in Lake Huron, which we'll go to later. Pretty awesome spot too. You can see Hank's a little wet. He got a little impatient and fell out of the boat right before we got to shore. It's pretty funny.
He didn't tip the boat over, so maybe a lesson learned, maybe not. We'll see if he jumps out again.
Got another nice little beach right across from us. Nobody's at. Well, see, as you can see, everybody's rolling in. Almost 11:30. Having lunch ourselves.
You see why it's called Sandwich Beach?
Yeah. Food tastes better on the side of a river.
I'm like letting my husband give me help. The
wee woos are here. It's time to go. White claws are kicking in. And another private beach. Just waiting for someone to land on it. So that's what we love about this stretch of the river. It's probably the best spot to swim. Little baby sand dune. Non-stop swimming hole after swimming hole. About as sandy and as good as you can get it. And there's a boat. Oh, holy waters. Land ho. Have a good one.
You too.
You too. Have a good trip.
Thanks.
Cool weathered piece of wood. Good old pure Michigan summer. Swimming hole number 2, 3 Mile Park. It's a roadside park, bathrooms, picnic tables, grills.
Trails to the beach.
A nice place to just chill by the water with a nice cool breeze. Oh, baby. This is the mighty Lake Huron. This spot's really cool because you have several miles of beach that you can hang out at or just take a stroll. Whatever you are in the mood for. And dog friendly.
I have a feeling it's going to be colder water than the river.
Yeah, I would imagine. Hank doesn't want no part of it.
I think it's loud.
Yeah. He didn't seem to mind the river, but I guess the noise of the waves and the cold water maybe. Going in, dude?
He looked like he was.
Come on, Hank. Come on.
Good boy.
Loud noises. Just waiting for Alicia. Nothing to hook the dog to, so we gotta take turns swimming. Just chilling with Hank. Not a big water guy. No water nice. We've made it to the end of this week's video. And I just wanted to say I appreciate you guys hanging with us. And if you enjoyed the video, please give us a like. And if you want to see more Michigan-based content, subscribe. We'd really appreciate it. And we will see you guys on the next trail. You get in the water, buddy? Not a fan.